Charm again, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today since I have my volleyball practice, and so I will be wearing my contact lenses because it's delicate to wear eyeglasses because I am with men. I have men teammates, and then I already experienced before that my eyeglasses was hit by by opponent. So I'm afraid it will happen and it can break into my eyes directly, and it's really delicate. That's why I started wearing contact lenses. So the contact lenses that I'm using, guys, is this. It's Premium Easy Wear. It has 3 pairs. This is for my this one is for my my right eye, which is -75. The other one is -100. So this is for my right eyes, and this one is for my left eyes. It has 3 pairs, so it will expire for like 30 days after opening. That's why if I don't have games, I'm not opening one, so that it can, I don't have to keep on buying it. It's really good, which is so nice. That's why I choose this one. So this video, guys, is for the newbie. If you don't have ideas yet how to put on contact lenses, this is for you. I hope it can help, because with me before, when I started, I don't have ideas also, especially I have really small eyes, and it's really hard for me. It's really super easy to wear, guys. I swear, this kind of contact lenses. By the way, it's not a sponsored product. I just want to show you how to put it on, and I wish it can help. And by the way, guys, I already washed my hands. Because I just washed my face. So and first of all, guys, before putting on your contact lenses, don't put any cream or any makeup in your face, because it will be so hard for you to put it on, or otherwise there will be some creams or any makeups that can go inside your get inside your eyes. So the first thing, I have a tissue with me. I will put on first my right contact lens. Make sure to wash your hands, guys. And in here, if you are not, you should do it like this. Put it, and then make sure that it's like that, guys. Okay, make sure that it's center here with me, because I'm used to it more already. I just demoed, guys, but first make sure that you will put enough solution, wash it again, so you are sure that it's clean. So do it like that, guys. And then with your left finger, scary eyes, guys. Don't be scared with my eyes. It's just a demo. You should do it like that, guys, while holding it to your right finger, index. I think it's index, thumb index. So do it like that, and make sure that you're not going to blink, so it will be easy for you to put it on. That's it, guys. Just make sure to blink, and that's it. Now let's proceed to the left eye. Repeat the same procedure for a solution, and then, because sometimes, guys, you can just do it like that, but since I am making a demonstration for you, you should always try to put it like this, in your thumb and index in the middle of them, like that, and do it like this. Repeat the same procedure, and like that. Okay, that's all. Ooh, I'm crying. In my first time, guys, oh my goodness, I'm telling you, I think I spent more than an hour because you know, when it comes to the eyes, it's really scary, it's really sensitive. And by the way, I'm putting a solution in my case so that I can bring this in my practice, and so whatever gonna happen, I can just, if ever something happened or I feel itchy, I can just put it out, put it off, and I have it with me. So make sure that you always bring your contact what is it, casing, your your case for your contact lenses, and make sure you have enough solution. So that's it, guys. And by the way, I still have 3 pairs, so it will still be good for 3 months. So that's it. That's all, guys. I hope it can help you this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.